Good morning, guys. It's Friday, and look, it's a raining Friday all the time. If it's my day off, it's always raining or snowing. It's always a bad weather when I'm off. I don't know why.
Streams of violet rays coming over me. Must have been dreaming it all. It's me.
Say good morning, Lele. Say good morning, guys. Lele here. Okay, Lele is going to school. I'm taking Lele to school. After this, I don't know what we're gonna do, but it feels good to be off. I'm off for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because it's my weekend off. So we'll see what we're gonna do. You know, for how many days I've been thinking if I continue to do vlog, because you know it's not easy, but you know I'm enjoying it. So if you guys likes my video, please like and subscribe. Alright, here's Lily's school. We're here. We're here. Bye bye, Lily. Say bye bye.
Bye.
See you later. Yeah. We're back. Look who's here.
Hi.
Just pick up Ali.
Yay, it's Friday. I don't like school.
Huh? What did you say? It's Friday?
It's Friday. I don't like school.
Don't say that. Why are you late again?
Because of you. Your coffee and then
What?
and the traffic here, that's your fault.
Where are you going?
Hmm?
Where are you going?
Duncan.
Where?
Duncan.
Where? What?
Duncan. Why do you have Canva?
Huh?
You should put this.
What do you want? Hold this.
You should.
Wait. How about Lele?
Here are the bagel bites.
Which one?
Can I have the
Which one
bacon?
bagel bite?
Can I get the maple sugar bacon?
Okay. What kind of bagel bite?
The stuffed bagel minis.
Plain or everything?
Everything.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Wait, how much money do you have?
Hi, can I have the maple sugar brown?
You want a maple sugar bacon sandwich on a croissant?
Yes.
Dad.
With egg and cheese, right?
Yes.
Anything else?
And give me the bagel, stuffed bagel mini, the everything.
Can you get me a strawberry?
Okay.
What?
Do you have money?
What do you want?
Can you get me a strawberry?
Anything to drink?
And
We asked that you refresh. Strawberry lemonade.
strawberry lemonade refresher. Mid,
Medium or large?
Small.
Small.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, $13.83 is your total.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Jean. So how's school today?
Good. I played volleyball and
What else? But you're late.
so. Ooh, guess what?
Nice.
Guess what? You know my B plus in math
Yeah.
from last marking period? Miss Darling put in another grade for the second marking period because she forgot to, and now I have all A's.
Good job. Good job. So proud of you. You're the best.
And then I have all A's in my third marking period already.
Good. So you're gonna go again.
Honorable. I mean principal's list.
Mom
And
is
then
texting.
period, then the second market period, and now the third market period.
Good job.
The best. Never heard of a C.
That's how I am when I was.
No, you're not.
Yes.
You got all D's and F's.
What?
You probably got E.
What? There's no E.
That's the joke.
Nice.
That's the joke.
I got all A's. Look at my name. What's my last name, Al?
What's my name? Allison Anna Pollinari.
Go.
Punch the buggy. It's right there. So then. You weren't like that when you were at school. You got.
Yes, I got all A's.
You got all F's.
I got a lot of awards.
I got more awards than you. And I'm younger. I'm not you. I didn't even graduate high school yet.
Huh? The maple bacon and the bagel bites is here. Yeah, and the drinks.
Did they cash you out yet?
No.
No.
Be a stranger, you won't think of me.
There you go.
Oh, Jing, they look this thing.
There you go.
Thank you.
So-
It's raining hard now.
So, yeah, but you probably got like F's and D's.
No.
Yes.
I got all A's, and it's all color red.
No.
Yeah. In Philippines, they do by color. They put black or blue.
You
and
missed
red.
it at my
So I
awards
got
thing.
all A's, but it's red.
At my. So, we got strawberry dragon fruit refresher
You're dunking
with
down
lemonade,
it, and you're dunking down.
and my maple sugar bacon. It's really good. And Lele got bagel bites.
And how about daddy?
You have food now.
You're so mean to daddy.
Yummy. Wanna try some? Exactly. It's really good. Did you?
So what time you went home yesterday?
5. The whole time I was doing burpees and squats. Yeah, because it's for the phys ed part of Matilda, so I have to do like burpees and stuff.
How do you do that?
You like jump up and then you push up on the ground and then you,
That's a lot of work, Jing.
so. You should put this. No, I don't like that song anymore.
Guys, comment below if you think I got all A's.
And comment what ringtone he should put. He should put One Direction. They're the best.
Let me hear.
Should put this song. Huh?
I thought she's still.
So why would we buy something if like
Why didn't you get me anything?
Hi, Lily. Good morning. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Look. Now show them you eat. Show them you eating. No, use the spoon. Use the spoon.
May $1 yung ampaw.
Wow.
Oy, yung $1. Yung may $1 siya pahawak mo. Oh. Yung $1.
You have money? Huh? Who gave you money? They. Who gave you money?
Why are you staring at me?
Okay, I have $1.
Get it.
They show me the money.
I have $1.
Can I have the money?
Ellie, get it now.
I have $1.
And guys, Tingnan nyo yung weather, oh. Umuulan pa rin. So, pumunta ako dito sa Maggiano. Yun. You know, Maggiano. Pinikap ako ng pagkain namin for dinner. Wala. Tinatamad talaga ako magluto ngayon. Yan, oh. Pinikap ko ng pagkain para sa dinner namin. Ito, Maggiano. Pasta naman tayo. Magpasta tayo tonight. Nakakatamat yung weather guys pagluto. Okay, let's go home. Tara na. Uwi na tayo. Usually, ay, dilim. Usually guys, nagluluto ako every day. Pero pag day off ko, minsan ayoko magluto. Tinatamad ako, gusto magpahinga lang. Tapos yung weather pass ganito, ay nako. And guys, ito yung na-take out natin for dinner tonight. Ano pa ba meron? Pasta, rigatoni pasta, salad, may dessert. Hindi ko alam kung na yun. Mom's lasagna, rigatoni ulit. Dalawang rigatoni. And then chicken piccata. Yan. Yan yung dinner natin tonight. Okay. We have 5 utensils. No, 6. Alright. Let's set up the table so we can eat.